I really hope this is cute and I don't end up looking like somebody auntie. Even though I am somebody auntie, I'm a fine auntie, okay? I just want to look, I don't want to look like that auntie that be wearing these wigs. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Nah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carcy Denise. If you're new for the very first time, thank you for stopping by. I hope that you like this content enough that you want to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever your girl uploads a video and become part of the family. So yeah, go ahead, do it, sis. It's free 99. If you're a returning family member, what up, cousins? You already know how we do it. As you read from the title, this is another wig review, and I did get this wig from wigtypes.com. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will definitely leave the link down below. So I know I've been saying it's summer, we want less hair as possible. So I've been trying to come with the short wigs. So I have another short wig that I am going to review for you guys today. So this wig is by Brown Sugar, and she looks, well, you can't really see how she looked, but she looked like this. And she is a human hair style mix, which just means that she has a little bit of human hair fibers and synthetic. And then I did get her in the color Purple Rain. Purple Rain, Purple Rain. Woo! Now she doesn't have a name. She just has the style, which is BS124. But after this review and I put her on, maybe we could come up with a little name for her or whatever, and you know, yeah. So let's check her out. All right, so this is a better look at her stock card, and yep, I got her right here. I got her right here. Okay, this is how she's looking right out of the box. Slang, sis, slang. Like, I really hope this is cute and I don't end up looking like somebody auntie. Even though I am somebody auntie, I'm a fine auntie, okay? I just want to look, I don't want to look like that auntie that be wearing these wigs. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Nah. So let's just try it on and see. I do love how they got that color combo though, sis. That's fire. So she got to come with it. Like, she has to come with it because that color combo is too fire for her not to come with it. So let's go ahead and try her on. And she is a full wig, y'all. So, you know, she don't got no combs, but she do got adjustable straps. So let's see.
My team made this.
right, y'all, so I am done styling this unit, and I still don't know how I feel about her. Like, this whole piece here is a fire. Like, it's bomb. Like, bomb. I'm just not really sure how I feel about this side of the hair. I tried to do like some little layers so it's not like, and it was a lot like really thick here, so I was trying to thin that out, like, you know, like Holly Berry and Boomerang. Y'all know I always refer to Holly Berry when I do a short look. I don't know why. She used to be killing the short look game. But anywho, I tried to do, you know, that look, how she had her hair like that and Boomerang. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I don't know. What do y'all think? I mean, like I said, this whole situation right here, sis, is fire. I love this. I love how they got the color. Like, I love that. I did have to bring that little flip down some because we ain't doing that. That wasn't what it was, sis. That was a no. It was a no. So I did like try to bring that down some, just a little bit. And yeah, I mean, see right here, I feel like I'm giving you that auntie vibe. You know what I'm saying? But right here, I feel like I'm giving you like that sexy vibe. But yeah, I don't know. But I like it. It's something about this that I'm just not really feeling. The wig fits really nice, like snug, like she ain't going nowhere. I like the body. Hello. I like the body in it. Like, I like the color. I like how this is not so flat. It has like a, you know, it's a nice volume going with it, which is why I didn't want to do too much with the flat iron, because I didn't want to mess up that volume and that body that it has. But I feel like I can get away with her. Like, I feel like I could make her work. You know me, I throw a hat on sis in a heartbeat and won't think twice about it. Hat gang, okay? But she's cute. She's cute. She's cute. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will definitely leave the link down below so y'all can get your hands on her. And yeah, y'all drop down in the comments any names y'all think I should name her. Right now, I don't know what name I'm thinking right now, but I don't know what name, but yeah, y'all let me know. Y'all help me come up with a name for her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.
Blank Beats Production.